Hello everyone, this is Gyan and welcome to Merchant Navy Decoded. Today with me is Mr. Rutik. He has recently cleared Great Eastern and Anglo. So we will be learning from his experience that how he managed to clear this both Great Eastern and Anglo exam and interview. So Rutik, first of all, let me congratulate you for your achievement.
Thank you.
And I would like to ask you to start from your short intro in which you have to say your name and from where you belong and which stream you did your graduation. Yeah.
Hello guys, I am Rutik Rajesh Gotne. Basically, I am from Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra state. I have completed my graduation in as a mechanical engineer from Sanjay Godavat Institute, that is the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Thank you. That's it.
Okay, Rutik. So, can you tell us that how you managed to clear this both of the exams and interview for Anglo and of Great Eastern?
Yes. Initially, when I appear for the first time for Anglo, I didn't manage to clear the first written exam. So my first attempt was gone like that. So I again appeared for the second attempt, and during that I also cleared the second attempt exam as well as interview.
Okay, okay. So you didn't manage to clear in your first attempt. You cleared your Anglo in second attempt. So can you tell us why you didn't manage to clear in your first attempt? And after that, what were the strategies you changed and what are the things you did so that you cleared this Anglo and Great Eastern as well?
Initially, during my first attempt, I was not having a proper knowledge and not a proper structured notes or any knowledge about mechanical section. So I was frustrated a lot and I was searching for a lot of things to be studied, but I was not able to manage all those things. But however, I found it on YouTube and social media platform about Merchant Navy Decoded platform. So in which I got to know that there are every sections of mechanical in a structured manner, like from where should I start, from where should I start to where should I end. So I think that thing really helped me. So yes,
Yeah, yeah, that is Dreamer package you are talking
yes,
about.
the Dreamers package.
Okay, so sir started from fluid mechanics
Yes,
to ended with the how what are the
yes.
non-destructive tests.
So that sequence is really much important, I guess.
Okay, so
Yes,
you
and
like
also
that package.
yes. Also in Dreamers package, Pranit sirs have explained each and every concept with proper and day-to-day life example. So I guess that thing really helps.
Okay, so basically you are saying in your first attempt you were not having idea what are the questions can be asked in
Yes,
written and interview and your preparation is not well because you were not having proper structured study
proper structure.
material.
Yes,
So after that you cleared not only Anglo, you cleared Great Eastern as well, exam
yes,
and interview.
yes.
So, so what are the tips you like to give the upcoming aspirants who is aspiring to join Merchant Navy as a marine engineer?
So guys, I would like to tell you that please don't repeat the mistake that I have done. Please buy the Dreamers package as soon as possible. So by doing so, you will get a proper structured material, study material, and you won't waste your time for searching the material here and there. So I would like to give you this advice to go through Dreamers package as soon as possible.
Well, thank you. As guys, Ritik had to face once rejection in Anglo, and that was, as he said, it was frustrating for him. So, guys, if you want to escape that frustration, if you want to escape that struggle which Ritik faced, that was really a bad experience for Ritik because getting rejection once will down your morale, isn't Ritik? So
Yes,
it will
exactly.
be very hard to bounce back and prepare again for all of those things.
Yes, also, Pranit sir once told that you have to practice in front of mirror your mock interviews type. So I did that thing. That thing also really helped me.
Oh, you did also.
You guys can also do that. Also, guys, prepare the notes from the Dreamers package and keep that notes with you wherever you travel, and revise it thoroughly, and also repeat that concepts in front of mirror, so your all the fear of interview will be removed from you. So I guess this thing will really help you.
Yeah, no. Thanks for your experience, Rutik. It's really overwhelming that you didn't give up and tried again, and you are having a two prestigious company sponsorship. So best wishes from the Merchant Navy team, from the Merchant
Yes,
Navy
thank you.
Decoded team.
Thank you.
And with this, keep learning, keep growing. We have to make this Merchant Navy Decoded, the whole
Community
community
strong.
strong and proud.
Yes.
So that's it, guys. This was Gyan with Rutik. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.